Hello everyone. Today I will explain how Flex Rent works in a simple and clear way. Flex Rent is a service that helps renters split their monthly rent into smaller payments. Instead of paying the full rent all at once, you can divide it into two parts during the month. This can make budgeting easier and help reduce pressure when rent is due. With Flex Rent, your full rent is still paid to your property on time. Flex acts as the middle service. They pay your landlord or property manager the full rent amount, even though you are paying Flex in two parts. This helps make sure your rent is never late as long as you make your payments on time. At the beginning of the month, you pay the first part of your rent. This is usually about half of the total amount. Once that payment is made, Flex sends the full rent to your property. Your landlord receives the full payment just like a normal rent payment. Later in the month, you pay the second part of the rent back to Flex. This second payment covers the remaining balance that Flex already paid on your behalf. The exact date of the second payment is set ahead of time, so you know when it is coming. Flex Rent is not free. There is a monthly fee for using the service. This fee is separate from your rent and is charged each month. The fee helps cover the cost of splitting the rent and managing the payments. If used responsibly, it can be a helpful tool for managing monthly rent payments. Thanks for watching.